We got 5 minutes and we got AI. Let's see if we can put a plan together, because you know we gotta pay them bills. You did. I'm gonna take you into the computer and I'm gonna show you a tool that I think will help us. All right, here's our website. This NH Dropshipping, and it literally prides itself on a couple things. One of them is having a global warehouse, bro. It's not many companies I've seen that have a global warehouse with rapid shipping. What I mean by that is that they got a China warehouse that's centrally located for efficient sourcing and direct shipping everywhere. They got a US warehouse that's going to strategically be placed so you can get super fast delivery all over North America. And they got a Mexico warehouse. They're a Mexican warehouse too, bro. They're covering everywhere. You dig what I'm saying? So they're able to ship everywhere. Okay, so we got a place that's going to ship the products for us. What else we got? And they're going to locate the products for us. So they got the trending products. We can see what's trending on TikTok. We can see what's trending on WooCommerce. Wherever you sell stuff, Shopify, they have the trending products right here. And one of the things I like the most, besides having tons of products, is that they have 24/7 service. A lot of places say that, but this is a 24-hour one-on-one dedicated service. So they got professional advisors, privacy protection, quick response, and global support. Even when I contacted them via email back and forth, they were pretty prompt with how fast they answered back. So China got the game on lock. Let's see how we're gonna get paid with it. All right, so boom, we're gonna go in here and grab our product. If you wanna do something in beauty and health, or you know what, how about some glasses? Let's do women's sunglasses. All right, so now you see we got tons of dope sunglasses, and look at the price it costs you to get the shades. So the glasses are $2, $1, $2.30, $1.43, bro. They got cases for them, all sorts of things you can package up and bundle together. Because, hey, you, real quick, if you like this video, you like everything you see, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the description because I got links to everything right there. Back to the video. They also have platform binding, which means it connects to your Shopify, your TikTok shop, your WooCommerce, and so much more. Not only that, they have brand customization. So now you on TikTok shop, whether you buying these glasses for $1, you making all the viral videos because you want the TikTok to see what's trending, what's viral right now, or you're repurposing someone else's content, or you're using AI, you can go here, put your brand name on the packaging so it stands out. We know it's you, we know your brand coloring, we know all the stuff. Find your product. Once you got the one you want, you click sync the product list, or you can import it right to your store. That simple. And here's another way you're gonna get paid. Now, this is the way that blew my mind, that they are promoting that they want to pay people. It's really that simple. They want to give some paper away. And look at this. This says you have to complete the promotional tasks in 3 minutes to get paid immediately. So here's some ways they want to incentivize you all to start posting about them, talking about them, creating with them. And here they are. So you can post one time in a Facebook group. They got 87 spots left. So when you see this, make sure you're getting active on this. They only got 87 spots left. You see, that's going to pay you $1. To get $3, you're going to post 6 times in different Facebook groups. They have 98 claims left. They will pay you $3. You post 10 times in Facebook groups. They got 5 cash for you. 20 times, another 10 for you. Post 35 times in Facebook groups, you got $20. So what's stopping you from creating multiple accounts? You can get friends involved, you can get family involved, your aunt, your uncle, somebody got products they want to sell. You can literally post for them in their group and help them get paid, or you can get some of that paper. I don't know how you want to do it, bro, but they got ways you can get paid just by using this. You scrolling all day doing nothing anyway, why not run it up? This ain't financial advice, you can do what you want, but this is NH Dropshipping. They have ways that they're paying in more ways than one, just to post about them, just to speak about them, just to mention them. I'll put all of their socials below as well so you can check them out and follow them ASAP. Tell them the session sent you. So I'll pray you like the video. This is what your back end is going to look like. Everything you need is going to be right here on this website. You can get started today by checking the description out, and make sure you start taking advantage of the internet, of dropshipping, of AI, because I'm telling you, the time to strike is right now. You dig? Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You dig?